What if I told you most shooters aren't missing because of bad sights, bad ammo, or bad fundamentals? They're missing because of one simple grip mistake that happens every single time they pull the trigger. Shots drifting low and left, groups that never seem to tighten. That frustrating moment when your sight picture looked perfect, but the hit wasn't. The fix isn't expensive. It doesn't require new gear, and you can learn it in under a minute. Today, we're breaking down the grip technique competitive shooters have relied on for decades, and why it works when everything else fails. Before we go any further, a quick note, this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. We're discussing recent court rulings, legal challenges, and public policy debates surrounding the Second Amendment. Nothing in this video should be considered legal advice. Gun laws vary by state and can change quickly. If you have questions about your specific situation, always consult a qualified attorney and make sure you're following all applicable laws where you live. The problem most shooters face. Picture this. You're at the range. Your stance feels solid. Your sights are aligned perfectly. You press the trigger and the shot lands low and left again. That miss isn't random, and it's not a lack of effort, it's biology. Your hand isn't designed to move one finger independently. When the trigger finger moves, the other fingers naturally want to move with it. This is called sympathetic grip pressure, often referred to as milking the grip. Why most fixes don't work. Most shooters are taught to grip at about 40 to 60% pressure. That creates a problem. At partial grip pressure, your fingers still have room to move. When the trigger finger presses, the other fingers tighten slightly without you realizing it. That movement pulls the muzzle offline, the foundation. Before grip, a few basics matter: athletic stance, slight forward lean, stable balance. Once that's set, grip becomes the deciding factor. The technique that changes everything. This is called the crush grip. Grip the pistol as hard as you can with every finger except your trigger finger. Not tight, not firm, as hard as you can. When your grip fingers are already at full contraction, they cannot move anymore. That eliminates sympathetic movement entirely. Test it right now. Make a relaxed fist and move your index finger. Now squeeze your fist as hard as possible and move your index finger again. The other fingers stay locked. How to apply it correctly: get a high grip on the back strap. Bring the support hand in to fill all gaps. Apply maximum pressure with both hands. Keep the trigger finger relaxed and independent. If you feel a slight tremor, back off just enough for it to stop. Why this works: it stops grip interference, it improves recoil control, it creates repeatable consistency. This works across pistol types and calibers. Common mistakes to avoid: don't tense your arms or shoulders. The pressure belongs in the hands. Don't relax between shots. Don't crush with the trigger finger. Practice drills. Dry fire while watching the sights for movement. Use ball and dummy drills to expose flinching. Practice one-handed crush grip with each hand. What results to expect: low left misses disappear, groups tighten quickly, grip becomes automatic within a few sessions. Final thoughts: if you only fix one thing, fix your grip. The crush grip is free, instant, and effective. Consistency beats complexity every time. If this helped your shooting, drop your results in the comments. Subscribe to Guns You Can't Live Without for more practical shooting fundamentals. We'll see you at the range. Thanks for watching.